Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. And please click the subscribe button and the bell notification, as about 80% of you are unsubscribed. Also, don't forget to like and comment and share. All that out of the way, today we have a real easy, quick recipe. It is a BLT Wedge Salad. And the first thing we need to do is make our bacon ranch dressing, which is done by simply adding a cup of mayo to a half a cup of sour cream. And then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of chives, a half a teaspoon of parsley, half a teaspoon of dill. By the way, if you're concerned about the prices of dried herbs, always buy them in the little baggies in your produce section. Followed by a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Followed by a half a teaspoon of onion powder. And, of course, salt and pepper to taste. And then you want about 4 strips of bacon that we've chopped up. Again, you want to be a little cautious on the salt because of all the salt that's in the bacon. But be as generous as you like with the pepper. Then just grab a spoon and mix everything together. All right, we're pretty much ready for assembly. All right, as you can see here, I have a wedge of iceberg lettuce. How you make these wedges is simply get a head of iceberg lettuce, remove any excess leaves you don't like, and then cut it into quarters. And it's one of the few times you want to preserve the core. Then you want to slather on some of our bacon ranch dressing that we made. Top with more bacon because, well, bacon makes everything better, and you can never have too much bacon. And anyone that says differently is a goddamn filthy, rotten liar. All right, and then we want a small handful of fire-roasted, diced-up tomatoes. Put them on there. And then last but not least, we want to add a dusting of blue cheese. And that's it. A BLT Wedge Salad. Done.